So here we are with the sniper still going. It's been a long, overnight trade basically. And yeah, so hopefully we'll get into this target here today. In the next, this is the sniper, so we do it on the close of the 4-hour candle. So I basically just check this every 4 hours. I can leave my alerts in here. Let me know kind of what's going on. And when this when the 4-hour candle closes, if we're below this level, then we'll bounce out. All right, so we basically hit our 75% marker. Just missed it by a few pennies. That's why my alert hasn't triggered yet and sent me a message. But yeah, we basically hit it. So I'm going to go move my stop now to break even plus a couple bucks. 386639. Drag it down there. Come up. Check it out. Oh yeah, because I got it at a nice discount. That's why. So 38665. 3865. All right, there we go. So move the stop to break even plus a couple bucks since we've hit our 75% marker, which actually puts me a nice profit because I jumped in. I waited for a retracement and got in on the retracement. So there we go. It's a green trade regardless. But now we'll exit the trade on a close below this level. All right, so we are through to our minimum 1R target here for the sniper. I'm actually not going to be able to be here 1 o'clock or probably have access to my phone to get in here and trade this. So I won't be able to close this trade out if this ends up being a nice profit zone. So I'm going to go ahead and take my profit now, or at least put my stop in at profit here. So I'm just going to X on that one. I still got one up there. So then I'm going to come down, give it a little bit of room to breathe here. 7-0. Oops. All right, maybe not. Come on back down here. I don't want to have to wait till later. I could just hit flatten right here, I guess, and just get out. But I want to give it. All right, so we'll just do it there. So, all right, so we're out. So we're out of that trade. So done. Futures trade, making some money. It's a nice little win right there. It's a pretty big move. So yeah, there we go. Sniper making us money. All right, we'll wait for this next trade, which I won't be trading futures anymore until probably this evening session. There it goes. Now it comes back down, right? 3 seconds later. So that's how it is. Anyway, so yeah, I won't be trading anymore today. Maybe this evening I'll get a trade in on futures, and then we'll look at tomorrow. All right, everybody. Have an awesome day.